To disassemble your stylus, start by fully unscrewing the tail at the back end of the stylus and set it aside. Now, unscrew the needle retaining nut. It's very small, so place it somewhere where it won't get lost. The needle can now be pulled out from the back of the stylus. Be careful as the tip of the needle is very sharp and delicate. With the needle fully removed, unscrew the spring guide and set it aside. Remove the needle spring and the needle chucking guide. Take the stylus main body and turn it upside down. Place your hand underneath to catch the main lever and the auxiliary lever. It's best to place all the components of the stylus on a towel so the small parts don't get lost or separated. For cleaning tips, please refer to our Easy Cleaning Guide video. To put the stylus back together, take the main body and put the main lever back in place like shown. Using a pair of tweezers, take the auxiliary lever and place it back behind the main lever like shown. The needle chucking guide has a groove on one side that must be facing downward when placing it back into the stylus. Place the needle chucking guide into the stylus with the thick end first and the groove facing downward. Now you can slip the needle spring onto the back of the needle chucking guide. Return the spring guide by fully screwing it back onto the stylus. Slip the needle back into the stylus and secure it in place by gently pushing it in with the tip of your finger. Screw back on the needle retaining nut. Be careful not to over-tighten. The tail can now be put back into place and your stylus is ready to go. For more information, please visit us at luminessair.com.